It seems illogical, but is there a pasta that can help reverse type 2 diabetes? The answer is yes, there is. It is also easy and quick to make. Start with peeling 2 cloves of garlic to make this dish delicious too. Transfer about a 1/4 cup of oil to a frying pan. Then finely grate the garlic and mix with the oil. Then we get to the main ingredient, zucchini. I'm using 3 medium-sized zucchini to make 2 servings of zucchini pasta, also known as zoatl. You'll need a spiralizer for vegetables for that. While zucchini is not the only diabetics-friendly vegetable that you can use to make vegetable pasta, it is by far the easiest. That is why I make this again and again. Zucchini is soft, easy to cut, and makes delicious look-alike spaghetti pasta. You just have to cut the noodle strands with the scissors every 12 inches or so. Sprinkle with approximately 1 teaspoon of salt. As an option, add 1 tablespoon of chopped dill leaves. They go amazingly well with zucchini. Mix well all the ingredients. Place the noodles in the pan and toss with the mixture of oil and garlic. Cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes. Zucchini will release a lot of juice and shrink because of that. You can add more herbs for flavor. I'm adding parsley leaves. Basil leaves are nice too. I'm also adding a thick pasta sauce that will mix with the juice from the pan, resulting in a perfect consistency sauce. About 1 cup of pasta sauce is sufficient for this dish. Mix gently with the noodles. You have to return the pan to the stovetop and cook for say 3 more minutes, until perfect consistency. When done, zucchini noodles look a little translucent but with a firm, not mushy, consistency. The sauce must be a little reduced with a runny consistency. It's time to enjoy the vegetable pasta. You can eat it as is if you are a vegan. Or you can add shavings of Parmesan cheese to make it into a vegetarian dish. This is how I make it for my hubby, and he asked me if this is wheat pasta. You can add fresh parsley and dill for decoration, then enjoy.